Run, rabbit, run. Test the ignition, Charlie.
Okay, chum.
Run, Adolf. Contact!
Contact!
Signals which will be employed during war to give immediate public information in case of air raids. It is the duty of every citizen to learn these signals. First comes the warning signal that enemy aircraft are approaching. This warning signal will be given by sirens and hooters and sounded for 2 minutes. In some places it will consist of wailing signals of varying pitch. Listen to it carefully.
Freedom is in peril. Defend it with all your might. Your courage, your cheerfulness, your resolution will bring us victory.
Listen to it carefully. Very In some places it will consist of wailing signals of varying pitch. Listen to it carefully.
cassette listeners. Attention cassette listeners. Attention cassette listeners. You have now completed side 1. In order to hear side 2, please fast forward to the end of the reel. Attention cassette listeners. 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 You have now completed side 1. In order to hear side 2, please fast forward to the end of the reel before turning the tape over. Thank you. Thank you.
course of our nation's history, the people have rallied bravely whenever the rights of men have been threatened. Today, a new crisis has arisen. Citizens, hear me out. This could happen to you.